Yup, that is me enjoying the view here in Mount Sikapu. And just when I thought things could not get any worse, well.
Ang experience sa Mount Sikapu ay beyond challenging.
It's very bloody, very muddy, very windy.
I enjoyed the most the muddy slides. Those were nice. Sliding all the way down, getting full of mud. Good time.
First day pa lang medyo struggle na rin eh. Kaya pahon, akyat baba, kaya never underestimate the mountain. Lahat talaga. Ayun, sobrang enjoy din kasi ibang experience kada mountain, ibang experience, ibang learnings na ano talaga. Kaya daming ano talaga na matututunan pag sumakit na po.
Memorable for the books. Paghandaan nyo to, you have to be very physically prepared if you wanna climb Mount Sikapu. A lot, at least 3 weeks of physical training, cardio, and strengthening. And I strongly suggest you go back here in March or climb it on summer season, summer months.
Cloud.
No view, nothing.
No view. White.
Nothing to see. No, fog everywhere. That's all you get.
And yes, it was all white. The view was completely covered in thick fog. The relentless rain and strong winds made every step even more challenging. May mga ano sir, hindi malimutan na part sa trail sir.
Yung slide. Daming slides eh, mga 5 beses siguro.
Yung paano na, pababa. Sobrang putik nung pag-akyat natin, wala eh. Pagbaba, sobrang putik. Kaya ang hirap hirap magpagulong-gulong. Kasama si Kutit.
Siguro yung yung muddy trail. Ayan, tsaka yung Limati. Sobrang best experiences.
Grabe. Parang daming obstacles, like susuong ka, daming suong. Hindi pa talaga establish yung trail.
Tapos yung papunta sa summit, 2 hours. Pero grabe experience. Pero sobrang fulfilling pag nakarating ka sa summit. Lalo na pag nakakita mo na yung penguin na parang, okay, ito na ang mighty penguin ng Ilocos. Nice. And we've conquered it. Ayan. So.
More than just reaching the summit, it was about embracing the journey, no matter how tough the path became.
Ang takeaway ko ay, kahit gaano kahirap, kayang gawin. Basta meron kang will and may drive ka na tapusin.
Dried mangoes from Cebu. Mount Sikapu. Grabe, nakakapagod, gagi. Yung weather hindi din mabait sa amin. Nakasamit naman. Importante. Survive.